Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bolaji, and if you're a returning subscriber, hello, welcome to the channel, welcome to the family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to trim your eyebrow or carve your eyebrow with razor blade. If you think this video is what you're going to be interested in watching, do keep on watching and give this video a big thumbs up. See you in the next clip. Bye. So guys, for this video you're going to be needing just a spoolie like this, a brow tamer. Today I'm going to be using the Thames Essential brow tamer. If you don't have brow tamer, you can use clear glue like this. It's just to glue down the eyebrow, just to press it down. And lastly, we're going to be using a razor blade. I cut this one into half so that I can easily maneuver and use it. I don't even know if I'm going to leave this video with this sound or I'm going to do a voiceover. So the first thing you want to do is you want to brush your eyebrows upward like this, and the other one like this, and then you want to use your brow tamer or your glue to press it down like this. Like this. Can you see that everything is laid? I'm going to do this one after the other so that I'll do this one and explain while doing it, and the other one I'm just going to run through it since I've already explained the process here. So after that, don't take your razor blade. The first thing you want to do is remove the excess from the brow bone. You want to remove like any hair around the brow bone, like brow bone area. You have to be careful not to cut yourself. Can you see I'm taking away all the hair in the brow bone area? So next, I just want to trim the upper part. You can see some are longer than the other ones. I just want everything to rhyme and be equal. So I'm just going to do that neatly and gently. Can you see? I hope you can see. And that's it. If you want a more thinner end, you can go on and adjust the edge like so. Then also, I just want to trim the lower part, like this area. I just want to trim it to make it look more neat. Can you see? I'm just going to rush through the other one and do it just the way I did this first one. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a massive thumbs up, like and share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.